Opisyal nang binuksan ang ika-30 season ng National Capital Region Athletics Association o NCRAA noong Biyernes sa PhilSports Arena sa Pasig City. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Sa temang Exceeding Sports Beyond Borders, nagbabalik ang National Capital Region Athletics Association o NCRAA na nagsagawa ng opening ceremony nito lamang Biyernes sa PhilSports Arena sa Pasig City. Ngayong ika-30 season, 11 pamantasan ang mag-aagawan para sa kampyonato na huling nakuha ng Immaculada Concepcion College Blue Hawks. Nanguna sa nasabing seremonya sina NCRAA General Manager Buddy Encarnado at Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas Executive Director Attorney Erica D. Sa panayam ng PTV Sports kay Encarnado, sinabi niya na target ng NCRAA na makapaghubog ng mga homegrown players na posibleng mapabilang sa ating pambansang koponan.
We believe that we want to give the opportunity to our homegrowns, and this is the reason the very purpose of one of the very purposes of NCRAA. With the help of all the school presidents and their vice presidents, we want to ensure that NCRAA will be more vibrant, more ever today. We want to make sure that we become a conduit in providing new faces and new talents in Philippine basketball, volleyball, and other sports disciplines.
Kaya, suportado ng SBP ang layunin ng Collegiate League. Ayon kay D, mahalaga ang mga liga gaya ng NCRAA para sa ating mga atleta.
Yeah, it's very important that we have leagues like the NCRAA. We cannot naman always rely on the big leagues, so to speak, right? Kailangan talaga lahat ng mga estudyante natin at saka mga young players ay nabibigyan ng opportunity. And leagues like the NCRAA is the perfect opportunity for them.
Proud naman si St. Dominic College of Asia President Gregorio Andaman Jr. na sila ang host school para sa 30th season ng NCRAA.
It was St. Dominic College of Asia's honor and privilege for being given this opportunity to host the 30th season of this very prestigious athletic league, NCRAA.
Samantala sa Sabak, sa 55 single round robin games ang lahat ng pamantasan kung saan ang top 8 teams ang makakapasok sa knockout playoffs bago ang best of 3 finals. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.